TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another jam-packed work from home job lead video for you. I have lots of job leads in this video. One is even paying $20 an hour to answer emails. We're going to dive all into it. The links to all the pages that I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And with saying that, I just want to say I am trying to make these videos as helpful for you as I can. I try to always leave the timestamps below, so if you start on a job that doesn't sound like it's for you, you can always click the timestamps and fast forward to the next job lead. Also, the links are directly in the YouTube description box below this video. You don't have to go to my website and then find the job leads. Those links will take you directly to the pages. So if you don't like listening to me ramble and talk, that's absolutely okay. Pop that little description box open and open all the web browser tabs and go directly read the pages yourself. If you have any other suggestions of ways that I can make these videos more helpful to you, please feel free to leave those in the comments below. I am always taking suggestions. But with that being said, if you do enjoy any of these job leads, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and of course share these with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Diving right on in, first up we have the company Global Payments. Now Global Payments has 1,000 reviews on Glassdoor. These reviews are from current or past people who have worked for Global Payments. They do have an employee satisfaction overall rating of a 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a chargeback specialist. Now this is paying $15.30 an hour, and you do get your benefits on day one. This is going to be remote for the United States. All of these positions are for the United States. Just a little disclaimer, I don't work for any of these companies. I just simply share what I find online, and my expertise is in the United States job market. I do understand I have people who are looking for worldwide jobs. I am keeping my eyes open for those. But they are basically looking for somebody to be responsible for resolution of customer chargebacks. Like when a credit card chargeback, a customer buys something and then they dispute that with the credit card. Now this one may require you to be on the phone and take phone calls from those customers disputing these from time to time. You may even have to make outbound phone calls, but the majority of the job leads in this video are going to be non-phone. But a lot of this is non-phone work. You're not going to be on the phone all the time, because you're going to develop and apply basic skills. You're going to be doing research, processing, and resolving these chargeback reversal requests. You're going to be utilizing multi-client system environment, adhering to regulations and guidelines. So once you get that dispute, you're going to have to gather and analyze the cardholder and merchant account transactions, and you're going to have to look through those transactions and determine if the disputed transaction is covered under the federal regulations. So you're going to work from work queues, assisting with pending requests from various work queues, and you'll have to have knowledge of Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and Amex policies that are governing those credit card chargebacks, reversals, online research, things like that. So you're going to be doing a lot of research with this job. They don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and 0 to 2 years of related work experience handling disputes. Someone who can learn quickly, and of course you've got to be a problem solver, being able to make decisions. Now next up we have the company Option Care Health. They do have 751 reviews on Glassdoor, and while I normally don't share anything that doesn't have at least a 3.0 rating, they are on the borderline. They have a 2.9 out of 5 star rating, so make sure you read the reviews or whatever, but I just thought I would share because they are hiring somebody to join their revenue cycle team for processing refunds. Now, one thing to note, it does say hiring range right here is $17 plus, but if you go all the way down to the bottom, it says the minimum pay is $15.96 an hour. So they pretty much pay anywhere from $16 to $17 an hour, but they're looking for somebody to make sure that submissions of invoices to insurance companies or payers is done accurate and timely. You're going to submit timely, accurate invoices for these payers for products and services that have been provided by Option Care Health. So you'll have to understand the terms and fee schedules for all of these contracts with these different payers. You're going to evaluate the payments that are received, making sure those payments are correct and applying those payments into the system. You're going to verify the payments are received according to a fee schedule. So you're going to have a list of what you're expecting. Of course, you're going to make sure that any secondary bills or patient invoices are sent out within 48 hours of the insurance making payments. You're going to follow up on any invoices that have not been paid. So this part may require you to make an outbound phone call to the insurance company if you can't find that information online. Now, of course, they're only requiring a high school diploma or GED, no college degree. They do want somebody who's 0 to 6 months of a previous infusion reimbursement experience. Other than that, you've got to have basic computer skills and that basic entry-level Microsoft Excel usage. So you need to know how to use basic functions in Microsoft Excel and also in Microsoft Word. Now, on top of that pay, they are offering a benefit package that includes health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, all the things. Now, if you are watching YouTube, which we all are, if you are watching this video, you might have heard of Squarespace. They have a lot of ads running on YouTube. Squarespace is an online platform where people can design websites and things like that. They have 414 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. They're hiring a remote customer support associate. Now, this is the one that you will be answering emails. Their customer support is going to be done through email and web chat only, so completely non-phone. They're specifically looking for somebody to be able to start by October 16th, and they are going to offer a 2-week virtual training through October 27th. So October 16th to October 27th will completely be training. That is going to be paid training, and it's all virtual online. But you are going to be responsible for responding to customer submitted live chats and emails in a timely manner. So you'll be working out of a work queue, and typing work is going to account for 90% of the role. So almost completely non-phone. Live chat is going to be their primary channel of support, and then answering those emails. Now, the type of support you're going to be giving is troubleshooting and guiding customers through questions and issues regarding their account, billing, or other transactional inquiries. So it doesn't sound like you're going to be giving a lot of tech support, which is good, but you are going to have to meet quality and productivity measures. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree either. They do want somebody who can work 40 hours a week through weekends and holidays, so you've got to be flexible with the hours you can work. Somebody who has 1 year of customer service experience, and of course, somebody who has great communication skills, specifically with spelling and grammar, because all this is done through typing. And you do have to have consistent and dependable Wi-Fi. Now, pay for this position ranges anywhere from $35,800 a year all the way up to $43,000 a year. $43,000 a year is $20 an hour, or a little over $20 an hour. And again, they are offering a standard benefit package. Now, next up, we have the company Triad Financial Services. They only have 33 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a 3.5 out of 5-star rating from those 33 reviews. They're hiring an underwriter support. Now, no mortgage experience is necessary for this job, and it's paying anywhere from $20.55 an hour all the way up to $22 an hour. So Triad Financial Services is a provider of financial solutions, specifically mortgage solutions. This is going to be Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. position, but they're basically looking for somebody to review the information that's submitted for their pending conditions list, clear conditions, and update the customer dealer brokers with new approval letters. So you're going to accurately and timely encode information from applications into their Encompass database with essential data pertinent to processing a loan application. You may have to pick up the phone from time to time and contact the dealer, broker, or customer if you're missing any information from that application. You're going to pull and review the credit for each applicant and communicate any issues to the underwriter, so the in-house people that you're helping or working for. So you will have to be responsible for timely distribution of all documents. So this thing is for mortgage underwriters who actually approve mortgages. You're basically going to be their assistant, making sure that all the paperwork is there, entering the information into the database, pulling that credit report, and getting any additional information that is needed, so that all they have to do is look at the information and either approve or deny the loan. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED, no college degree is needed. You do have to have great communication skills and computer skills, specifically with Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, and Outlook. And you do have to be somebody who can work well under pressure and meet deadlines. Next up, we have the company Soleo Health. They have 47 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.1 out of 5-star rating. They're hiring a fully remote billing specialist. Now, this is for the United States only. It doesn't look like they have any state restrictions. So this is going to be a complete billing job in the healthcare field. You're going to prep accurate medical claims based on any insurance contractual agreements. You're going to review and identify the claim pricing discrepancies, create and submit any secondary claims. You're going to make sure that you have the copays, deductibles, coinsurance, all that for the patient correct and bill that to them. You're going to monitor these billing contracts and requirements, and you'll have to answer any billing questions that come up. So you're going to review information from electronic medical records in the patient's account, making sure that the claims are submitted correctly and cleanly. And of course, if you have any issues with the insurance company not paying them, you're going to follow up with that insurance company, making sure you send them any medical records or anything that they need. So you're going to ensure the coding is to the highest level of specificity for the maximum reimbursement from these insurance companies. Now, again, only a high school diploma or GED is needed, no college degree. This is a daytime job, Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m., and they do want somebody who has 3 or more years in medical billing experience, someone who knows that medical terminology like ICD-10 codes, CPT codes, and somebody who has experience with infusion or pharmacy billing. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $21 an hour all the way up to $24 an hour. Of course, they also offer a standard benefit package. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep a running list and keep my eye out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.